Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll be using a pen Lamy and we'll be using the Lamy Joy model and we'll be writing some Italic. So let's get started. In this example, nib size 1.9 mm has been used and it has been tried on a 2 lines paper and with normal 80 GSM. The ink has been used from Lamy and the model number is T53 and the color name is Amazonite. So that has been used in this pen. The pen is really good with the nib, like after using or after closing the cap it doesn't dry up, so immediately as we try to write or something it will just write very smoothly and the ink flow will be very uniform and it will be smooth. The best part of this pen is the shape of the pen. It doesn't matter with the build quality with which material it has been built, but the weight or the balance of the pen matters a lot while doing some design or the flourishes or with the italics or the any decoration with the letter. So that brush like structure at the end or a bit longer structure, it helps a lot and the balance is really good in designing or in doing some decorations to the letter. The pen will behave very properly or the nib will be very smooth while writing some strokes from up to down or from down to up. But as we try some horizontal lines from left to right or from right to left, the ink flow is really smooth and the nib doesn't dry with those horizontal lines when you just write from left to right or right to left, especially the horizontal lines, they are really good. The weight of the pen without the cap or with the cap is a bit okay or maybe a bit heavier while doing some long decorations or long flourishes with the letter. If it is a normal 1 centimeter or within 2 centimeters, if we try to do some flourishes with the cap, the pen is very good. It may feels a bit heavier for long decorations with the cap, but without the cap it is really good. So let's see in fast forward mode how we can write some other lines or more lines. So let's see. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel and thank you very much for watching.